Box hedges are really popular when it comes to landscape architecture and design. And they have a function in creating a border. And they work quite well provided the right plant is selected. But is Buxus the best plant for you? And it purely depends upon the climate. There are other alternatives. And I personally think if you live in a warmer climate, these are too slow and don't do the right job. You are better off selecting a plant such as Murraya Min-A-Min, which has a good growth, better suited to the subtropics, the warm climate, has a white flower, is scented, has all the attributes you're looking for. You might be after just a green box. This will do the job, but I do think there are so many other plants that are better. I might actually list some of those in the description of this particular video, but on the top of my list is always Murraya Min-A-Min, which is a dwarf cultivar version of the Murraya paniculata, the mock orange. Hence, it has a wonderful, beautiful smell. So if you are looking after and looking for a box hedge, and you're tired of it growing slow and you want something a little bit faster, and you live in a warm climate, whether it's the tropics or the subtropics, consider an alternative rather than this plant. And that's your garden tip for today with Paul Plan Horticulture. Catch you next time.